I'm Sasha Horn, and this is the Trailblazer Network. In the previous episode, I talked about how meditation has helped me personally to relax and de-stress in the world of digital distractions.
For whatever reason you want to start meditation, the task can be daunting. Today, I'm joined by Dr. Nikki Noche, who's going to share with us some techniques and tips for beginners.
If Dr. Nikki looks familiar, it's because she was featured on the Fox reality TV show Utopia. Dr. Nikki left Western medicine to focus on a lifestyle of wellness and prevention. She shares meditation and whole living techniques on her newly launched YouTube channel.
So for someone who's new to the meditation, what is something that you can offer them to get started?
Well, first, I always like to reassure all clients and patients that this is a challenging task, that it's not easy, but the rewards are really worth it. And I also like to reassure them that this is a practice. So practice makes progress, not perfection. So just as if you were to go to the gym, some days you have great days, some days maybe you're a little tired, they're not as great.
So if you've tried meditation in the past and it didn't necessarily work out for you, there's still hope.
Of course there's hope. And meditation is something that's exciting. It's something that enhances our lives in so many ways, from the mind to the body. So in terms of health benefits, meditation regulates our hormone levels. It helps us sleep, but we actually need less sleep when we meditate. We're more creative, we're more productive, we're more efficient. It's almost like we control time. So we get these like superpowers when we meditate.
If you're a beginner, Dr. Nikki says just 2 minutes a day can get you started. Find a quiet time of day. For example, first thing in the morning or right before bed.
In terms of techniques, so I always like to say sit with your spine straight. If sitting on the floor cross-legged is not comfortable for you, you can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, whatever allows your spine to be really straight. Next, I always say be sure that your hips are above your knees. So if you're sitting on the floor, that's why they have meditation pillows, because that creates a more comfortable position to sit for a long time. And then you can simply close your eyes and just take a few deep breaths. Our breath controls our mind, so if we take deep, deep breaths, we can begin to quiet the chattering monkey. And when your mind wanders and you realize you're in this thought about what you're going to do tonight or later or tomorrow or all these tasks you have, you come back to the breath. So as you concentrate, those thoughts will go away. And then you get to this space of stillness and silence. And some people can't even really describe what meditation feels like. It's something that you just experience. And when you do, you'll know it. And it feels really wonderful. And initially, like I said, it's hard. It's so hard. The mind's all this stuff is gonna come up. And that's great. It means we're releasing it and we're healing it. And then over time, you'll actually start to crave it. Like, I crave it. It's like amazing.
That is amazing. Thank you so much for sharing these tips. And if you want to learn more about Dr. Nikki and her meditation tips, be sure to check out the link below. It will link you over to her website and her YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining us, and be sure to tune in next week where we'll have more with Dr. Nikki and her digital detox. Thanks for watching. Bye.